Thank you for joining. Today we're going to be using this rotary chimney sweep and show you how to clean from the bottom up. You can see we got this kit from Menards, has easy connections here. You put on an end of your drill, flexible pipe or flexible rods here. We want to make sure we got plastic covering up our fireplace. Tape that well just to kind of keep the creosote from falling back out of the fireplace, making a mess in your house. And it's pretty simple. You stick it up there and run your drill. I try not to run it too fast so it didn't beat too hard, but pretty much just running it up there. You want to measure how tall your fire or your chimney is. Make sure you got enough length to reach the top. And then you kind of want to work it back and forth. What I usually do is run it all the way to the top and then work each section up and down a few times. One thing I forgot to mention, on the actual head, it has looks kind of like weed whacker string, but we want to trim those to the size of your pipe. So if you're 6-inch pipe, you want to have about 6 inches of the cleaning surface to whip around inside there and knock everything down. I like to take a wet wipe as I'm taking it back out and just kind of clean the rod as I'm pulling it out. This helps from getting, again, trying to keep from getting soot all over the living room. And I just work it up and down each section. And I'll even take the drill and reverse it and go reverse and forward to just kind of give it so it hits a little bit different and knock all the material off that we can. After it gets out, there's a little tool that it came with, looks like an Allen wrench, but it's got to point it in. We poke it in there like that and it releases. And I found it's easiest once you get it pushed to kind of twist and then pull out. Then we just take and put the drill back on. Snap it back in place. And we're ready to do our next section. All we do is just work this again up and down with this section a few times, and then just repeat until we have all of our sections out. Then we can take our plastic off, scoop out anything left in the fireplace, and we're good to go. Also, once you're done, well, even before you start, it's always good to look all the way up your chimney. Make sure you can see light through, and you want to inspect for any cracks or missing pieces or separated pieces, anything that just doesn't look right. Now's the time to address that while you got it relatively clean. My tape didn't hold up very well. You should do a little better job of taping than I did. But biggest thing, you want to look everything over, and if you're in doubt at all, hire a chimney sweep to look at it or go ahead and take care of it for you. But in my case, I can clearly see all the way up it, just a little dirty on each side, so just going to clean it and inspect it again, and we'll be ready to get back to burning. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more DIY projects, and we're going to be doing some more. And if you have any ideas you'd like to see, leave a comment and I will see if I can help you out with that. But again, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.